Good evening, students. Today we are discussing about a new subject in economics introduced by IIT, that is called IIT JAM Economics. It is introduced in 2020, a new subject in economics. Today we will discuss this subject. Its duration of exam is of 3 hours. Number of questions to be asked will be 60 questions and total marks will be 100. There will be three sections: section A, section B, and section C. Section A comprises of 30 MCQ questions. Section B comprises of 10 MCQ questions, and section C comprises of 20 numerical type question. There will be a negative marking in section A, and there will be no negative marking in section B and C. The section A is divided into two parts. First part contains 10 MCQ questions of 1 mark. There is a negative marking for every wrong answer. 1/3 of the marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. Remaining 20 MCQ in section A has 2 marks each, and 2/3 marks will be deducted from these type of question in case of wrong attempts. Section B comprises of 10 multiple choice question of T2 each. There will be no negative marking in this section. Section C consists of 30 numerical answer type question. 1 marks will be awarded for 10 numerical answer and 2 marks for other remaining questions. There will be no negative marking in this section. IIT JAM syllabus have microeconomics content, macroeconomics content, statistics for economics, Indian economy, and mathematical economy. I am also attaching its syllabus for your reference. Books you can study: Microeconomics by H.L. Ahuja, Macroeconomics by H.L. Ahuja, Indian economy Mishra and Puri, Mathematical economics by M.K. Madnani, Statistics and economics Tree Part by B.L. Agarwal. If you have any query, you can write me. I will give your answer back. This exam is important for pursuing the career in economics. The degree will be MSc Economics by top institutes of IITs. This is IIT's paper like other subjects of physics, chemistry. You will study in good colleges of IITs in India. Thanks you.